Hey G-Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So for today's episode, this cool amazing product right here, and basically what this is a brush set. So this product actually comes with a bunch of brushes right here that you guys can actually use for cleaning different stuff, whether it be for like your sink area, for your bottles, for your containers or whatever. They basically have everything right here for you guys to clean it really easily. So I'm actually opening up and show you guys what each one looks like first. So right here we have the first one, and when you guys feel the material on here, definitely feels really nice. It feels really smooth to touch, so it makes it a lot easier for you guys to clean and you won't have to worry about hurting yourself. They definitely have a very nice handle here as well, and they do have a little hook option so you can hang on somewhere if you guys want to. So this is the first one right here. Next one that we have right here is very similar as well, but you can see the way how they design it is much thinner compared to this one, if you can see. So I'm assuming this one right here is for people who want to use it to clean your sink, like for example like your toilet sink or something else. Same thing right here, they do have a very smooth touch right here, and they do have a little hook option to hang it right here if you guys want to. The next one that we have right here is much bigger, if you guys can see, compared to the other two right here. So this one is very similar to the first one I showed you guys, but there is a slight difference if you can see on top. So this part right here is a little bit different compared to this part right here. So for the first one I showed you guys right here, they mentioned how you guys actually use it for like thermal bottles or sports water bottles and etc. Whereas with this one, you guys actually use it to clean like beer bottles or any kind of bottles that has like a narrow mouth. So right here we have the fourth one. So for this one, they mentioned it mainly for like cleaning like caps or lids. So like for example, like your pots and pan where there's a lid underneath and you guys can't use your brush to clean it, you can definitely use that inside. And then last but not least, we have the very tiny one here. If you guys have like the reusable straws, you can definitely use this to clean it. And that's basically everything that's included. So you can see these are the 5 different options that we have right here that you can choose from. And all the wire that they use inside in the middle part here, it is a high quality stainless steel, so you don't have to worry about it breaking anytime soon. And because of how compact the product is, it makes it a lot easier for you guys to store it. And the fact of how it has a little hook option, you guys can hang it wherever you guys want to as well. But this is basically everything that's included in the package. So now to go test a few of these out and see how it works and when actually it works first. And then we'll come back and talk more about the product in a second. So I can see from my water bottle right here, the way how they design it is pretty small. So if I try to put my finger inside using a sponge, it will not fit. So that's where one of these come in handy. So I probably want to use one of these right here, or this one. Because of the way how they design right here, you guys can actually clean the bottom part and not just the side right here, which is definitely pretty nice. So I'm gonna get some water inside right here and we'll scrub the inside. Alright, so what I want to do is just stick it inside the hole right here. You can see the whole entire thing fits inside, and just turn it like this. Scrub everywhere inside. Alright, so you can see that is how you guys clean the product. Very straightforward and very easy to use. I definitely love this a lot. You guys can see how easy it is to actually insert it inside. So that's the first one that we have here. Next one, I got this lid right here. So when you guys use this sponge, sometimes you guys can't fit the inside right here. So that's where one of these come in handy. So you can scrub it inside right here like this. Alright. But definitely see from the test, both of them definitely does work and it works quite well. Alright, welcome back guys. So now you guys saw a quick test of the product, and definitely see that it actually does work and it works quite well. If you guys can see, the brushes are pretty easy to actually use, and I actually really like it a lot. Because now I actually have something to actually clean like my thermal bottles and also my pots and pans on the lid. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Now that we've got unboxing and testing of the product, now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for this brush set, I would definitely have to say that it is super worth it if you guys want one or need one of these. Especially if you guys have a hard time cleaning like your lids or your bottles or whatever, you can definitely use these in those situations. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or have need one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else that you actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys, so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.